Tommy Pickles. That's right. Here we go. Tommy starts with a bit of a funny head right about here. He's got a little bump there. Then it comes around like that. We're going to draw him off to the side a little bit. Bumpy, clumpy head he's got. There's his ears. There's the first ear. Here's his other ear right about there. Give it the little insidey bits there. Perfect. All right, maybe an eyebrow here. Another eyebrow right about here. He likes to have some funny hair. Little bits, just like that. That's right. He's got big old eyes like that. Big round oval eyes. There we go. A little dot for his pupil. That's cute. Funny little nose just like that. And then we're gonna draw the rest of his head coming around like this. Don't worry if it's a little wobbly, because that's what Tommy Pickles is all about, having wobbly stuff. There's his neck right about there, just like that. And then let's start his smile up there. And another one there. He's got a big old smile, he does. There we go. Give him a big wide mouth. There we go. That's fun, just like that. And now draw a tongue. There we go. Very nice. There's his head. I like that. Give him a couple dots here. That's fun. Alrighty. Now we can draw his arms, or his shirt, I should say, like this. Kind of wobbly bits like that. That's fun. Move your pen around like that. That's a good one. His other arm sleeve right about there. Perfect. Give him a bit of a tummy. And we'll draw his first arm coming out like this. We'll give him all the thumb and 4 fingers. 3, 4. There we go, like that. Bit of a palm there. And bring the arm in like that. There we go. Thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Arm. There's his palm. Alrighty. Tommy Pickles likes to wear a diaper now, doesn't he? Let's not forget his belly button right about there. Alrighty. There's the beginning of his diaper right about here. Let's draw some tape. Tape to hold up those diapers. There we go. Just like that. Let me bring the diaper on down like this. There we go. Like that. Bring the bum part around like that. There we go. And now we can draw a leg here. Just like that. And some funny old feet. That's cute. Right about here like this. There's this big toe. And we'll draw 4 little toes here like that. There we go. And let's have them kicking up around here like this one here. There we go. Big toe, 4 little toes. There we go. Bring it on down. There we go. Bit of a calf and connect it on up. There we go, everybody. Tommy Pickles, let's get to the color. Tommy Pickles has light skin, a blue shirt, red mouth, pink tongue, and yellow diaper straps. Thanks, everyone.